turn this wood and bicycle frame into these beautiful pieces here. What's good, guys? How are you? How are you doing? I hope you're well. Thank you so much for coming back to my videos. Thank you so much for viewing my videos. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for coming back. If you're new here, my name is Decor, and welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you're here. Today I'm just going to make beautiful shelves from affordable and available things that I find in my home. Basically, what I'm going to do today is turn this wood and bicycle frame into these beautiful pieces here, 1 and 2. Yes, guys, so that's basically what I'm going to do. I look forward to that. The remaining pieces, any other thing, I'm going to try some few decorations and explain later as I install them on these shelves. So I tried to create something. I hope it will turn out well. I really hope it will turn out to blend in with the wall color. So yes, so let's jump right into it. So basically, this is what I have: spray paint, the saw, and the hammer. And yes, the basic things that I bought were the ropes and the spray paint. And trust me, you guys, this whole project cost me less than 1,000 bob. I think it's around 800 shillings for the rope and the spray paint. Otherwise, every other thing here is just locally or things that I found at home. Stay tuned to see the end product. Yes, guys. First, we're going to start with the wood. we go. Ta-da! Wow, how does it look? So guys, I got these beautiful things. Basically, definitely this. Kwa watu wenye tunaendanga masherehe za graduation and all that. Yes, I took those things from those two flowers. Yes, and then nikaziweka kwa hizi picha, kwa hizi chupa. So basically what these are, for those people who might have become across structures, I think zinaitwa pistols. So yes, I took just the things that are no longer being used from my father's shop or store. Zile machuma nakwanga nazo. So this is what they are, the pistols, because he spray paint with white, and then here they are. So what are these supposed to be? Yes, so yes. Oh, bottles, spray painted it in grey. Yes, and this is the beautiful part of it. I don't know if you know what this is. Pine tree. I think it's pine seeds ama nini zile matunda to a pine tree. So I took them. I found them actually zikirom around the compound. I took them and then I spray painted them. But guys, look at that. And then the curtain. I just spray painted the curtain. Inside here is definitely mattress. Mattress, yes. And then I put the two flowers outside here. And look at they are. I think this is my favorite part. This is the favorite part about them all. They look really cute and classy and all that. So yeah. Yes. This one I don't even know. I just took something and experimented it. Oh no! So guys, as you can see, those are the beautiful creations that I tried to make. Yeah, you can try this at home. Basically, it cost me less than 1,000 bob to do all these beautiful pieces right here. Spray paint muhimu. Yeah, now I had some help, of course. Easy vitu za kupiga na nyundo. Damn, I can't. So anyway, yes, that's it, and that's it for this video specifically. Thank you so much for staying until this end. Yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share it out, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.